third example, and the people have worried. Now, do I differentiate this one, then this one, then differentiate this denominator? But the right thing you are to do once you are given such an expression is first to simplify this expression. So first simplify the expression the furthest you can, then from there you can differentiate. So let's simplify this expression. It becomes y equals to x cubed over x plus 4x squared over x. For all these ones, the denominator is x plus x over x. So this one becomes y equals to x squared plus 4x then plus 1. Someone will be worried, how did you get this one? Because these are 3 x's. You cancel, you remain with 2. These are 2 x's. So you cancel with 1, you remain 1. This is 1, you get 1 after dividing. So now you have simplified the expression. Now after that, you can now differentiate. So let's differentiate it. So now the expression is y equals to x squared plus 4x plus 1. So what is our differentiation? It comes to dy dx equals to, so this one 2, bring it down, 2x power 2 minus 1, 1. Alright? So 2x power 1 plus, this one becomes 4 by, this one was 1, bring 1 down, so then x power 0. Right? Then plus, it's a constant, 0. So you have finally your dy dx shall be 2x plus, this is 1. Okay, so it's 4 times 1 times 1. So plus 4. Then this one is done. So that is the final expression, the derivative of this equation is here. So that is how you are expected to solve that problem. First, simplify. You'll get other complex ones. So in each and every case, factorize, simplify, get the equation in its simplest form, and then after that you can differentiate. So thank you. You're welcome. This is our fourth example. We are being told to differentiate each of the following polynomial with respect to x. So this is it. Y equals to x power 4 minus 4x squared. Then the denominator is x minus 2. So how do you solve such? Now, to solve this one, we say the first thing you do is you simplify. Simplify to the simplest form. So shall have this one. Y shall be, let's now check. We can, x squared is common. X squared is common. So we can have x squared. Then we shall have here x squared minus 4. Then over x minus 2. Now this x squared minus 4 can be further simplified. Yeah, this one can be further simplified because we know x squared minus 4 is the same as x squared minus 2 squared, because this 4 can be 2 squared. Sure. So, and we know from the identity that if you have a squared minus b squared, you have two functions like this one from the identities. This will simply be equals to a plus b times a minus b. So if we can relate this and this, these two related to this one, we can simply say this one will be x plus 2 times x minus 2. Right? If you can, if this is true, if this is true for this, which it is, then if you have x squared minus 4 as we have here, x squared minus 4 as we have here, can be written as x squared minus 2 squared, sure. And this will mean that this can be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2. And sure enough, if you can take this one, expand it, you finally get this one. You expand this one, you finally get this one. So we can replace this one with this one. So we can say our expression shall be y equals to x squared times x plus 2 times x minus 2. Good. X squared is x then all over, this one shall be all over x minus 2. Right? So I have this is here, then I have this one is down here, then this one I have substituted for this one, which is correct. So if I can now divide, I can say by x minus 2 is 1, by x minus 2 is 1. And so what do I remain with? I remain with x equals to x cubed into x plus 2. X cubed into x plus 2. And if you can simplify that, shall be y equals to x cubed plus 2x squared. Right? Y is equals to x cubed plus 2x squared. It's correct. Now, so this is now I've simplified my expression. This expression simplified becomes this one. So now I can now differentiate. dy dx shall be, now here I have 3x cubed, so I bring 3 down here, shall be 3 x power, this is power 3 becomes power 2. Differentiation. Then plus 2, I have 2 here, times, now bring down 2 times 2, then x, it was power 2, it becomes power 1. So finally my dy dx, my derivative is 3x squared plus 4